Before learning anything new, it's always good to question why we are learning it and what we will get out of it. As we found out, Excel is an extremely versatile and powerful tool used to organize, store, and analyze data. Being proficient in Excel is an important and valuable skill. Excel can help us boost our productivity and efficiency by streamlining data analysis. It's a great tool that saves time whilst increasing accuracy. Excel can also help us improve our organization and time management skills. Almost every business today uses Excel on a daily basis in some form or the other. Many industries and positions require applicants to have at least basic experience in using Excel. Being proficient in Excel will open up several new job opportunities. Excel is the basis of any analytical tool, and the demand for Excel experts is rising rapidly at the workplace. With analytics becoming the field of the future, careers in data science and analytics-related jobs are becoming increasingly popular, and just some examples of job profiles that require proficiency in Excel. Even if you aren't pursuing a career that needs Excel expertise, rest assured that a strong grasp of Excel will allow you to perform better in your professional role and can also help you with personal tasks.